Hey guys, how's it going? It is Monday, January 11th. It is 12:25 p.m. and I haven't traded anything today because the let me show you the SPY. Let me show you the SPY. The SPY is red for today. It means that it closed up here on Friday, and it's below where it closed yesterday on Friday, right? That means that it's red. It's down like 0.39%. Now, this daily candle is fully within this candle, right? It's fully contained within this candle. This means that it can't really run free either up or down. It's acting very sluggish, right? So it's hard for plays to work out either up or down if they don't really have the support of the SPY, but rather they actually have the SPY kind of getting in the way. Because it's really not decided for any clear direction. And thing that I'm realizing just now, look at this, it's right at the high of 2 days ago, so it's probably gonna have a hard time pushing through. But anyway, okay, so given that the SPY was so, the plays that I was looking at were all, my regular system plays were all so. But I did see a couple of, well, sorry, let me show you. Etsy, all right? I was looking at Etsy. Um, I was looking at Etsy around here, but I didn't really like the momentum, and the SPY wasn't really going anywhere, and surely enough, it just went sideways. So I didn't go in, and I didn't miss anything. Two plays that I was looking at in the morning, especially, I was looking at NVDA more on the 5-minute. This is the I believe this is the pre-market high. 1 second. There you go. This is the pre-market high, and I wanted to buy it on a retracement and then continuation, right? So breakout, retracement, continuation, or retest, continuation, and it would have been a great play. But I'm still testing those, all right? That is, this pattern is something that I do all the time, but I do on, under different conditions, different situations, right? So for now, this was a paper trade, if you will, and it worked out great. I am excited because it's something that I am going to be able to adapt to my mornings, or include in my mornings, which are admittedly a bit uneventful for me. I tend to miss all the market volatility at the open and focus on much safer, much more smooth plays. But there is money to be made at the market open. Maybe just wait for a few minutes for the dust to settle a little bit, and then there are plays to take advantage of, and I want to start training myself in those. Another trade that I was looking at was Lemonade, LMND, and oh, look at that! Wow. Likewise, this was resistance, broke it, retested. Here we go, and this was just the high of the morning. Which interestingly enough, look, once it dropped right to the morning high, and then it kept going. But my problem with this one is that even though on the daily it's acting great, it is extended now, and it is at all-time highs. It's very new, and I don't know, I think looking at the momentum, it's not telling me that it's going to fall, but it's not telling me that it's going to spike either. It might, but it's not showing me what I want to see. right? Now, another reason, I mean, I did paper trade this, yes, here, great, it still works. Break, retest, continuation, worked beautifully. I might start I might start trading with real money tomorrow. Trading display, I mean. Um, Depending on what I see. But yeah, also LMND and NVDA are expensive options. Okay, um, they are expensive, and I didn't want to put that much money into something that I'm still not super comfortable with, right? Or that I'm still, testing out. And last but not least, let's look at Visa. Visa, ho ho. I let go Friday around here, thinking that it still had one more retest of this level before it popped up. What I wasn't counting on was a sluggish day, um, from the SPY. And surely enough, we will see how this finishes today. But at this point, oh man, I don't like it as much as I used to, right? That doesn't mean that I don't think it's gonna pop up, but for now, this swing feels like we haven't been able to take out this high, right? Which automatically breaks any sort of uptrend, and we shall see what it does next. If it starts to trade lower, then this is going down, I think anyway. Especially if it takes out this low, right? Because then it will have become a downtrend. Lower highs, lower lows, right? If it manages to gather enough energy and finally pop, I'm sure it can hit 217. Well, there's no guarantees for anything, right? But I would be very surprised if it doesn't hit this level, possibly 220. But at this point, when that's going to happen, is anyone's guess, right? And I don't want to get hit by time decay, and yeah, I mean, this needs to prove something to me before I'm interested again, because the candle that it's drawing today, I don't love it. Yes, it's closing above this level. Yes, all of this are buyers, just like Friday, right? But it couldn't even just pop up a little bit from where it closed on Friday. And if you remember, I said on Friday that this area around here has a lot of sellers, right? Sellers, sellers, sellers. So yeah, this, quite frankly, I think this is gonna go sideways. We shall see, right? And from there, I don't know if it's gonna pop up or go down, I don't know. But I have lost interest in this play, and it needs to prove a lot to me before I'm interested again. Okay, so yeah, that's gonna be it for today, guys. I don't think I'm gonna be trading. Lemonade is, I think it's a long trap, honestly. It acts like it wants to go up, and then it just, starts to head down lower. NVIDIA, this pop, I was not expecting it, and it came by surprise when I was talking to you guys, because look, it did a very nice, stretch in the morning, then it went kind of lower a little bit, and for 10, 20, 30, like 30, 40 minutes, just went sideways. And suddenly, boom, we're going up. We're going up on a little bit of volume, okay? Like, this is more volume than here, but hardly enough to justify a trade, or a momentum trade anyway, right? So today feels like a very treacherous day to trade, right? Like full of traps, especially for longs. at least in the patterns that I look at regularly. So guys, yeah, thank you so much. Oh, and by the way, I'm going to start posting on Twitter, posting my results and proving my results on Twitter, because I I don't want to overwhelm you guys with videos, and I don't think the like proof, the videos where I prove my trades are getting as many views as the actual, like videos where I discuss my trades. So yeah, I'm just gonna start posting on Twitter, and if you're interested, just you can follow me there. I will leave the link to my Twitter account in the description of this video. And yeah, thank you so much for checking out the video, and I will talk to you tomorrow. All right, cheers, bye.